favor signify by saying aye. Aye. All opposed, ayes have it. Well, I know you ain't gonna believe that, don't say that. So, I mean, how you believe you like that?
How you gonna do it like that?
That's what they tell me. That's what they tell me.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you do?
I'm doing fine.
Don't start all the arguing up in here now.
You always that way.
These people here.
No, I ain't gonna show off.
I know the whole of Charleston, which I come from for a regular, so y'all get through this thing. Y'all move this now.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
yes. The floor is yours, sweetie.
Oh, y'all ain't gonna read them tonight or nothing? Y'all get
oh, read it for us. Read it for us.
I got to tell him to Robert through all.
A resolution of Charleston County Council proclaiming the week of July 30th through August 6, 2022 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas Charleston County is one of the oldest counties in South Carolina, and in the 18th century, Charleston County and the South Carolina coast became the locale of some of the richest rice plantations in the South, which were linked to specific West African ethnic groups who became known as Gullah Geechee. And whereas the Gullah Geechee civilization originated in West Africa, its people coming to the United States as slaves to work on rice plantations, specifically in the coastal regions, including South Carolina, and with their African fare, original language, and craftsmanship, the Gullah Geechee people left their mark on southeastern South Carolina. And whereas the Gullah Geechee culture has had a powerful impact on the low country of South Carolina, including Charleston County, and these Gullah Geechee influences have helped to define our southern lifestyle and culture. And whereas the preservation and celebration of the Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum due to the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Act created by United States Representative James Clyburn, as well as the efforts of others such as Queen Quet, Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shaw, co-founders of the International Gullah Geechee Nation Celebration and the annual Gullah Geechee Nation Music and Movement Festival. And whereas Queen Quet has served as the official head Pandabadi and spokesperson for Gullah Geechees since July 2nd, 2000. And whereas the 22nd anniversary of the Gullah Geechee Nation is being celebrated under the theme Dishehu We Be, celebrating the Gullah Geechee living legacy. And whereas it is appropriate to recognize the importance of bringing awareness and appreciation for this rich culture and history in order to increase understanding of all the contributions the Gullah Geechee cultural heritage have given to our area and the sustainability of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Now therefore be it resolved that Charleston County Council does hereby proclaim the week of July 30th through August 6, 2022 the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Charleston County and encourages its citizens to celebrate the Gullah Geechee Nation under the theme Dishehu We Be, celebrating the Gullah Geechee living legacy, and support Gullah Geechee businesses and institutions. Charleston County Council, Teddy E. Pryor, Senior Chairman.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I want you to put that on the wall so you can look at my signature every time you walk. You remember me.
Y'all gotta look, I want a picture then every time.
That's right. I want a picture. I want you to remember me.
Okay, I remember that. I ain't no problem. All love. Thank you to all of Charleston County one more again. It's a year. And right was, I'm glad to forget it, and sustainability being the proclamation that you just struck your teeth with that thing, and that's a thing that I work on plenty of times. So if I can help on the children up here with them, I help all around the world with them at the UN and all that kind of thing. And I own the South Carolina Office of Resiliency. I own the Cultural Resources Committee for that. So if I can help on the children here in Charleston, please call upon me for that too. Yes. Okay, not just for you argue with me, chair, and then, but I appreciate all of you for all of the comments. I can speak your language as well. And we want you to know that if you follow GullahGeecheeNation.com, at Gullah Geechee on Twitter, Instagram, Gullah Geechee Nation on TikTok, you have all the details for Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. We'll be launching it in my home county, Beaufort County. Gullah Geechee Family Day is July 30th. Bring a busload of y'all from Charleston. I need to bring busload up here. Y'all can bring some busload down the way. And we will be having that on St. Helena Island at noon. So it's for the entire global Gullah Geechee family that we know the roots start right here in Charleston County. And we're trying to keep them roots strong so that generations more of us will be here. Because we've been here and we're in common with culture. Thank you, y'all.
Come on up here and take a picture with me.
Right here, right here.
Thank you. All right, let me turn them on. So you get them in a picture. Okay. I could learn y'all how to do this thing, yeah.
Here we go, right here.
We certainly thank you for coming over and visiting with us one more time. Thank you for all the work that you're doing. Thank you so much.
All right.
Now you can look at the picture and the signature.
Anyway. I love you too. I love all of y'all. Thank y'all so much. I can Photoshop you out that picture though. I just to tell you.